Good morning. I'm Audrey, live on Wolf Television and Channel 205 on Astound Cable. We hope your morning is off to a great start.
What are you doing here?
What do you mean I'm here for the show?
No, why are you right here next to me?
Because why not? Start the news. We have a lot of things to say.
Whoa, pause.
What now?
Remember for Tuesday's show, it's going to start at the end of second block, right?
Right. What about it?
Well, this is what you teachers need to hear to know to cue for WTV.
Yep. Anyways, and I told you to start the news like 2 minutes ago. Hurry up.
I'm on it. Calm your horses. Starting off with some general news, all your semester 1 books are due at the book room ASAP. Each book you don't return by today will be charged for a $10 fine to your account. Don't forget your lockers. You're responsible for anything left. Talk to Miss Schooler in the book room for questions. Don't forget, on Tuesday we have a new bell schedule. It's on screen right now. The new passing will be 10 minutes long. Also, WTV will now be at the end of second block. There's some big changes coming to lunches as well. We'll get into that more on Tuesday. The new semester brings class registration for all you underclassmen. As you're looking ahead, make sure you check out the AP Capstone program. The assembly is just hours away. Reese is here to give us the latest.
Hey South, we only have a couple hours left until the pep assembly. Here's all that you need to know. Freshmen and sophomores are on the big bleachers with the band, while the juniors and seniors are on the small bleachers. Now, if assemblies aren't your thing, you can go to one of the many alternatives up on screen right now. If it's going by too fast, they will also be ran on the TVs in the Commons. Remember, you must be at the assembly or an approved alternative. Can't wait to see your spirit. See you soon, Wolves.
Thanks, Reese. Also, us seniors are totally going to win. Get ready to get your second semester books. You'll need your student ID, and if you haven't picked up your ID, you can pick it up at the book room. If you lost your ID, you can get it for $5 at ASB during non-class time. Don't forget to bring your receipt to the book room to get a reprint. Just to remind everyone, we have no school on Monday. We go back on Tuesday, which will be an A-day. Remember, your second semester schedules aren't final until Tuesday. God Sneakers is partnering with SK to recycle and reuse sneakers. They will pay us $2 to $7 for each pair of sneakers donated. To donate your sneakers, bring them to the main office as they will take donations all year long. With the semester coming to a close, we already have some seniors who know where they are going right after high school, and it's only a boat ride away.
We would like to congratulate the following seniors who are part of the PSNS Work Study Program. This group of students applied and interviewed with PSNS as juniors and then had the opportunity to work at the shipyard last summer. They are able to be part of this program because they were on track to complete their graduation requirements early and will be finishing their work study program second semester.
Congratulations to Devin Crawford, Faith Harnish, Kenny Gatlin, India Nelson, Cambrian Olafson, Tyler Purcell, Levi Schnitz, Alex Stone, and Ethan Tucker. Way to go, class of 2024.
Go Wolves!
If you're an underclassman, check by the Career Center for opportunities like this one to impact your future. Speaking of the Career Center, you could be missing over $100,000 towards college money. And who doesn't like free money? Starting off, the Blue Ribbon scholarships are available to all current seniors wanting to attend a 4-year, 2-year, or a technical college. This is due by Wednesday, so don't miss out. Next up is the Women's University Club of Seattle Foundation Scholarship. This is for those that demonstrate outstanding character, leadership, and achievements related to South and the community. 5 applicants are selected to receive up to $10,000. If any of these strike your interest, please head to the Career Center for more information on scholarship opportunities and how to apply.
In sports news, flag football had a doubleheader against Rogers and Puyallup. JV had 2 great games. Kenzie Finn had multiple big plays for touchdowns, and Molly Verk had 3 interceptions to lock down the offense. Varsity defense was led by 2 interceptions from Emily, a long pick 6 by Haley. Jaden had multiple touchdowns on the night for the offense, both rushing and receiving. Emma had a stellar game at quarterback versus Puyallup. Sadly, we do not have results from either wrestling team from last night. In the scheduled events, boys dive will be at leagues over at Rogers today and tomorrow. Basketball will be facing Curtis, girls will be away, and the boys will be here for their senior night. As for tomorrow, bowling will be at Districts down at Paradise Bowl. Wrestling will be at the Tumwater Invite with our girl wrestlers over at Curtis. Finally, girls basketball will start postseason play over at Graham Kapowskin. Phew! That was a lot of news. I hope I don't have to read that much again.
Now you're saying that, I hope you get another long read.
Well, you did have a lot to read before me.
Okay, we need to refocus. Here we have Alex with Tyler from our boys basketball team for some words on the season.
Thank you guys. Like we said earlier, tonight is senior night for basketball. Here with me is Tyler. Tyler, how would you describe your season as a team?
It wasn't the best, it wasn't what we wanted, but it was still good.
We all know you guys got a new coach. How does that change what you do?
He taught us a lot, and we learned a lot, so it was pretty good.
As a senior on the team, how are you feeling about tonight's game?
You know, it's my last game. I got to soak it in and just end on a good note.
Finally, where should we all be tonight?
The game, be there.
Perfect. We'll see you there. Thank you, Tyler. Now we have a special video to get you ready for tonight's game.
Number 2, Tyler Hanson. Number 3, Michael Hewlett. Number 4, Kendrick Miller. And number 32, Josiah Swega. Your South Kitsap Wolves.
I'm so excited for tonight. I bet I see you guys there. Getting back into sports, South will be hosting 2 different clinics free of charge. The first one will be a mobile dental clinic on February 12th. The second will be the following day, the 13th, and it's a sports physical and wellness clinic through Peninsula Community Health. You can schedule your appointment now. Just find the QR code on posters around the school. Those in ROTC today, remember class will be held in stage 2. Like we said earlier, the pep assembly is just hours away. To pull off something like this, like assemblies, spirit days, and a dance, you need a special group of people, like those in ASB.
Many of us hear about voting for your ASB officers or ASB sponsored events. But what is ASB and what do they do? ASB is the associated student body that helps plan events, dances, and fundraisers to support the school. They have a lot of events and games they participate in, but what's the hardest part for them to plan? I spoke with ASB's executive advisor, Miss Oliver, to find out.
To me, I think assemblies are the hardest to plan because we have the most other groups involved in that. So we have to coordinate with band, dance, cheer, ROTC, choir, all of the different groups to put on an assembly, and then try to plan things that are fun, engaging, and will get students involved. We usually start planning our assemblies like 4-ish weeks in advance. When it comes to dances, we usually start about 6 weeks in advance. For homecoming, we actually started planning in June, so we already had our theme picked and kind of our decorations planned before we even left for the summer. We meet over the summer quite a few times in order to just get everything ready for homecoming since it's so early in the year.
ASB is constantly working to plan out events or help sponsor fundraisers. For anyone who may be interested in being involved with these jobs, Miss Oliver has a message that may sway you.
I say that you definitely should do it. If you want to be involved with the school, it's a great way to get involved. You get to see a lot of the behind the scenes and do a lot of the behind the scenes when it comes to our fun events that we do, when it comes to community service and fundraisers. We usually do our elections in the spring. So if you're interested in running, look out for election packets and information in grade level Google Classrooms. But I really encourage people to get involved, be spirited, be engaged, and join ASB.
Our associated student body is a vital part of planning school events and displaying our school spirit. They help keep school pride up and make sure we stay as a pack. Make sure to show some support to your ASB when you next have a chance, Wolves.
Can't wait to see what they have in store later today. Spring sport registrations are open now. They officially start at the end of next month. Complete all the final forms if you want to participate in 7 different sports. Registrations for next school year's cheer and dance team tryouts are open as well. Preseason conditioning is happening and you won't be able to participate until all final forms are complete. Hey, all you couples out there, Valentine's Day is just 19 days away. If you need a gift, the class of 2026 has you covered. They'll be selling candygrams starting Tuesday for $1 at lunches. The club meeting today is Advocates of Human Rights. Meeting Tuesday will be 3D Zone, D&D, and Key.
That was a long show.
Yeah, it was.
Womp womp.
Well, I like your pink.
Womp womp.
Get out.
Under one condition.
What?
You play me rock, paper, scissors.
You're joking.
I'm actually not. I'm the 5-time world champion, so bring it on.
Fine.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Haha! Riley, end it!
Go!